ya ke tsena ka mola e wa sokoliwa mola ba no tsia fela mo election deep slot ba ri una le mereko ka mola e ke fitla mola mo mbobong mereko a teng ba ri kena ka mo ka kena ba no le jole feli le khale ke berekiswa ke bona fela ke sa hole le silo lino ke chavile shikile boha mapolisa ka hore mapolisa ngale ba tlo thusa vela batho ka bona le batho ba bangata ka mola ba sokola ka tlala a ona lijo ba fiwa maheo a ese fela ba shapiwa batho ja batho ba sokola ka mola straight ya na ksatsi bore ke mereko shwang lino ke chavile ke chavile lino.
Okay.
Sanbonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to any video. Nyabonga for joining me. Thank you very much. Ngakhohlwa subscribe, like video, share video as well. So on this one, as khulumeni ngabo zama labo kuthiwa kade bastakale ngaphansi, you guys, something like that. Ngase Stilfontein mine into ikanjalo, you guys. So I think belokube phuma kancane mhlambe abaphumayo benziwe njani bayaboshwa noma because they are illegal miners ke Mdakabawo sezwa kuthiwa nampo bakhala ke ngokudla bakhala ngento eningi bakhala ama ARVs. So mina was like why bengaphumi, like phuma uzodinga impilo ngaphandle, something like that. Noma usuzoboshwa ke Mdakabawo at least phuma uzofuna impilo. I mean, like there's a lot that was happening obviously down there njengoba bephansi le ngaphansi komhlaba and like that ngoba sebeyazi ukuthi vele uma bephuma kuyababhedela. I do not know bafethu kuningi, mina ngasho ngathi even laba abaphila ke ngalama ARVs bafethu kwathiwa kwaphosela intambo lapha yana phansi ukuthi phela mababamba intambo beze bona abafike babophela ke ipheshana elibhaliwe ukuthi sicela ama ARV, something like that. So for me, if I was one of them okuma ARVs bengizonamathela intambo Mdakabawo. Imagine nje uzufelele ngaphansi ngoba anifuni ukuphuma, like it's either anifuni or like what is their story. Abafuni ukuphuma noma mhlambe besaba ukuphuma ukuthi mabephuma bazobhedela isimo, like manje kungcono ufele phansi than ukuthi uphume uzobhedela isimo ukudlula Mdakabawo ngoba wow, rather than you dying down there. Angazi bafethu ukuthi ithini indaba yamazama kodwa ngibone kunestori abasibhalile bethi amazama ahlele ngokuthanda kwawo emathunjini omhlaba kulokhu kusha ama boys abahlele ngokuthanda Mdakabawo. Kungathunyela irope kuthi ebambana irope nize bese nibophela ipheshana lokuthi ngicela ama ARVs. Hayibo, phuma uzolanda ama ARVs ngaphansi ngaphandle, sorry. Because I saw somewhere ukuthiwa ke ubaba ongu Minister of Health ubaba uArron Motsoaledi uthe yena there is no way ukamala ukuthunyela ama ARVs bafethu le phansi. Ama-ARVs awumani nje uphisane ngawo kanjalo. There has to be procedures followed, right? Awazi nje ukuthi umuntu athi ngicela ama-ARVs ungambona wazi nokuthi waqala nini waphuza kanjani kutheni, you just send ama-ARVs bazofika le bawashare bawaphuze kanjani le ngaphansi komhlaba. Like it's just not on, like ayizwakali for mina nje ungacela i-medication ngikunikeze i-medication ngingakuboni ngingakwazi ngazi ukuthi angithi manje kumele examine no doctor, something like that bafethu. So leyo kucela ama ARVs for me I was like come on man, just come out already, resurface uzodinga usizo. Uma ubosha uzoboshwa Mdakabawo. I mean kunzima bafethu sizothini ke. So kuthiwa ke amaphoyisa athi ayibahlele ngokuthanda kwabo ke labo ngapho amaphoyisa athi amazama avokuza ngokungekho emthethweni azihlalele ngoba ethanda futhi abalekela ukuboshwa emayini engasebenzi ngase Stilfontein. Kuthiwa ke iqula laba bavukuzile iphumele ngaphandle ngesonto ebusuku lizitshela ukuthi amaphoyisa agadele indawo awekho. Okay, so kusho ukuthi ba decide ukuthi ngcono sivumbuke ebusuku kuze kungekho umuntu kanti akhona amaphoyisa bavele babhedelwa isimo. Shuthi iyona lento mhlambe bagcina le phansi basaba ukuthi mabephuma kuyabheda Mdakabawo. Kuvela ukuthi amadoda athe uma ebona ukuthi abakwasidlodlo bangangozulu ebuya emakheni babuyela phakathi emgodini ukujula kwayo okuyikilometer. Hayibo Ayingeke. Awabuyanga elambatha amaphoyisa ngoba akwazile ukubopha abavukuzi abangu-14 kubona kukhona nebhunguke. So okhulumela amaphoyisa kuzwelonke uBrigadier Athlenda Mathe uthe okwenzekile kufakazele abahlali bekusho ukuthi akukho umuntu ovalelekile. Abavalelekile basaba ukuphuma nje. Ababoshiwe bonke abangabantu bokufika abadabuka eMozambique futhi bagcine ezitokisini. Uyaqhubeka umkhankaso wethu wokuthi baphume bonke emgodini kusho ke uBrigadier Athlenda Mathe. So bafethu la kuphila ngaphansi le, no food no nothing, because usually angithi bebephuma bafethu baze bathole ukudla baze bathole lawo ama-ARVs babuyele bangene babumathanda. So now that they are stuck there, usho ukuthi khona ukuthi sebeyasaba ukuphuma ukuthi bazoboshwa. Asazi-ke. Uqhube wathi abavukuzi ababoshiwe batshela amaphoyisa ukuthi kunamadoda awu-10 ahlome ngezinhlokohlela zezibhamu abavimbezela ukuthi baphume ngoba efuna baqhubeke bambe igolide. Why must you stop abanye ukuthi baphume? Wamele uvalele abantu baphume. What about those on ARVs ayisuka man? Luqale ngesonto ke eledlule futhi luyaqhubeka uhlelo lwamaphoyisa ngaphansi kwe-Operation Vala Umgodi nobuchwepheshe bokukhipha ke emazamazama esingaziwa isibalo sawo kule mayini. Abakwaziwa nokuthi bangaki nalabo abafuna ama-ARVs bangaki bafethu like abasho, because ngalibona le pheshana laba belibhalile bafethu alishongo lutho livele lathi sicela ama-ARVs bakithi. How many of you need ARVs? Imagine phela ama-ARVs uphansi lo stakile awunakudla awunalutho. Guys, if you are on medication you need to eat, udle uphuze kahle into ikanjalo nje. So if awusena medication awusena kudla, you're stuck underneath there, that's you dying ke mntakaba, that's you dying. So if I was the one on medication mina kuzi rope bengizonamathela le rope ngiziphumele ngizingidile namaphoyisa wethu anyaboshwa noma kwenzeka mntakaba, at least ngizophila ke futhi nje bazongiqala banginikeza ama-ARVs before bangibopha. You know what I mean? Instead of you dying there, just phuma bafethu, like really. So laba ke kuthiwa baphume ebusuku becabanga ukuthi mhlamba amaphoyisa awekho, kanti lutho bagadwe ubusuku nemini. Bathe mabethi bayaphuma nje bavele kwabanjwa ke 14 yabo. So yibona sebekhuluma ukuthi kukhona ngale abahlomile abaphethe izibhamu nakho konke futhi nje bagadwe uphumayo. So for me I'm like it's so unfair. Why nivimbezela abanye befuna ukuphuma? Like le ndaba yamazamazama guys, hayi lo msebenzi awukho safe. Asisho ukuthi singcono but sengiyasho ukuthi lo msebenzi lo okuphanda le ngaphansi mntakaba, especially if you are on medication, hayi awuyeke nje lento ezama something else because it's not good for you, something like that. Hey, hayi guys, inzima le ndaba yabo. Angazi kushuthi ke basaqhubeka ngokuzama ukuthi babathole bonke laba abasele ngaphansi, because abazi nenani labo ukuthi bangakanani abasele kodwa abaphumayo kushuthi bayakwazi ukuthi bababambeke, something like that. So yeah man, isona story samazamazama. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. Ungakhohlwa ukulike, ukusubscribe, ukushare nokufaka i-notification bell on for your sister. Thank you so much. Asibonane futhi kwenye video ezobilandela. Bye.